so beautiful.
I received my first Blythe Doll last year. I've always dreamt of owning one ever since I was a child. It sees them from stickers I bought. But owning it isn't just a goal for me. I want to customize her. I looked up tutorials online on how to properly customize Blythe Dolls, and it was hard, especially when you can't afford good tools. This isn't really a tutorial, but after you put all the parts out together, it's good to sand the face and the other parts of the face with two different kinds of paper, with first the rougher ones and more thinner ones after. People usually use like the nail driller to carve, but I use these carvers and they're okay to use, but you wouldn't really able to control the outlook. But it was alright for me. I've always drawn a blue-haired girl with a scar on her face, but I consider her as a zombie doll, or a human zombie, or just a zombie, but yeah. And just being blue-haired is not the end goal I wanted this doll to have. I want her to look exactly what I dream of, what I always draw and create in my art. I wanted her to have a story to tell, or something that relates with myself. I've learned that inhaling microplastics could really be bad for your health. So you should wear a mask whenever you carve out or drill the face. After carving and sanding it all out, when you do the painting next, for the face, they usually recommend a water-based color pencil or oil pastel, or any type that could easily be removed with water whenever you make a mistake. Also, every after layer of makeup, they said that you have to spray the face with Mr. Super Clear UV because it makes it more longer lasting makeup for that doll. Honestly, the way that I did her makeup was so messy, but that's what's on me. And I'm really not intending her to look like exactly me, but I wanted her to be the livelier version of myself. Which is quite funny because she is a zombie. Zombie with its scar on her face and is now becoming a doll. After some more sprays and then glosses, this is the final makeup of the doll. And then the art I made in the back. Now this was the before look and after. I had fun customizing her. It's nice to finally see the girl I always make art of. I named her Yuka Nobleza, a doll that I poured my heart and soul to.